Blocked ears can be frustrating and uncomfortable, especially when your hearing suddenly becomes muffled or you notice ringing sounds. At Hearing First Oxford, we help patients regain clarity through professional microsuction, earwax removal, and expert hearing care services. While earwax is protective, building up too much can interfere with life. Attempting to clean them yourself often just pushes wax deeper. That's why microsuction has become one of the most trusted and effective ear cleaning methods available today. Our treatments are performed by qualified audiologists using specialist suction and direct visual guidance for a safe and effective process. Unlike traditional methods, microsuction is controlled, precise, and much more comfortable for our patients. Once the blockage is removed, many patients notice immediate and significant improvements in hearing clarity and comfort. We also offer comprehensive hearing assessments and advanced hearing aid solutions tailored to your unique lifestyle. Visit the booking link in the description to secure your appointment. Like and subscribe for more hearing health advice.